Hi, I'm Curt Frye. In this movie, I'd like to show you how to count the number of unique values from a data list. And the sample file that I'm using is called Count Unique, and you can find that using the download link that I provide in the video description below. I have two lists of values. The first, in column A, are lists of prices, so those are numbers. And then in column C, I have text, which in this case refers to U.S. states. And I want to find the number of unique prices in the first list and then the number of unique states. And I need to do slightly different things to make those calculations. I'll start by clicking in cell F2 and we'll find the number of unique prices. To build up the formula from the start, and this won't take long, I promise, I will just find the unique values. So in F2, I'll type unique, and the array is A3 through A16. So I've selected that and enter, and there are the unique values. So I can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but what I actually want to do is to count them inside of the formula. I'll double click in cell F2 and then to the right of the equal sign, I'll type count, and then I will just count the number of items in what I generated using the unique function. So I'll press enter, and I have 8 unique prices, which reflects what I had before. If I were to create the same formula in cell F3 and refer to the states and type count, then unique, and the array would be C3 through C16, then a right parentheses to end unique, a right parentheses to end count, and enter, and I get a 0, which might be surprising. But then I remember that the count function only counts numbers. If I want to count text, then I need to use the count A function. And count A will count any value that is not null or blank. So I'll double click in cell F3, and I've been very lucky with my clicking here. So just after count, I will type a letter A. So I have count A, counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty, and enter. And I get a result of 11, which is the number of unique states in the range C3 through C16. This has been a very quick movie, but I think you can see that the technique that I taught, both for numbers and for text, is very powerful and could be extremely useful in your own Excel workbooks. I hope you enjoyed this movie. If you did, please like it and subscribe to my channel.